Let me tell you some reasons why your boyfriend dey come quick. You see all these people wey be say una think say knacking na just when you just come anyhow, you go just pull off, you don start. You understand? Una dey get am wrong. You see this knacking dem dey prepare for knacking o. You know all these people wey dey tell you say ada carry agba asi dem dey prepare for am. Prepare no mean say no be all those ones wey be say if dem get match dem go dey drink akporo dem dey drink manpower, dey drink orishirishi make dem last, make dem stay 100 years there, make dem build mansion there. No be im be this. As a woman, if you notice say your guy no dey last long, let me tell you things you should put into consideration. If you notice say your man no dey last long, number one, check whether im carry imfe. If a man carry this imfe for im body for long time, e dey make dem dey come quick. In fact, some no go even put, they don nyola. Number two, check whether im dey drink too much alcohol. Yes, if your guy dey drink too much of alcohol, that thing dey as e dey kpafuka their T-junction, their gbola, ọ na-emerụsị ha ahụ. Ọnya ihe ọ na-eme ha that side, as in two anaghị eke ya. Number three, check if you as a woman, if you dey get body odor or mouth odor, or may ikpuga ha na-esi isi. Because ọ bụrụ na ikpugo na-esi isi, some nwoke adịghị enwe the guts igwe enyi ha nwaanyị ma nwunye ha. You understand? Nneje sa na ikpuga asa na ọ na-esi isi, ọ nneje ta na atụ na ezego na-esi isi, ọ nneje sacha no mkpa abụgụ kpọ na aji abụgụ na ọ na mada like aji. Do you get it now? Oh yeah, made the man. If you have this one that I'm saying now, ọ na inwe ikpu na-esi isi, smelling bekus, or smelling mouth odor, ọ bụrụ na inwe a man can never enjoy you. Nwoke man as in onwe imekatara nwoke ahụ. Ụfọdụ wapụtakwa ha na baby wa ọnụ ga-ekpo before okpo self, as in mgbaragada nwoke ajụọ n'oyi. But ọ bụrụ na ọ na-awụ before ị chọwa, imegodu na onwe gị ọtọ ọgwụ ụtọ, o nwere ka ihe esi wee wụcha ahụ. Ọ bụrụ na etiti abalị ita atụ, i clean this place, i pụta like this, i were body spray, not perfume, i were body spray, were your show roll on, or armpit spray on your armpit, spray on your body, just put it a little body spray, just damp it on your two laps. My sister, you yourself, you go dey feel your body, you yourself, you go dey enjoy yourself by yourself before the man self go start. As you dey work on yourself, you go still dey tell your man say, baby, go and get prepared because I nwere match today. Ịghọtala? Si anya kwado ọfụma, o mepe ọnụ ya. In fact, ori ya na-apụta ebe ahụ, the kind, isi ya na-apụta go the day, you go enjoy am. Ọ bụghị emepe mkpa apụ ebe niile akpọrọ, emepe ikpu osie ka ogiri. Ọ gịnịzi? Learn all these things. That is the three most important things you should check before you start complaining. So you check all these things, imarazie na nke fọrọ ọnụ mere gịnị fọlọ Chukwu. My people, this is Chikran, ebe a na-akụzi nkụzi ọdịmma otu na amụ. Ndị be anyị ekene unu.